Oh yeah, this is incredible, dude. Yeah, we're not coming down very fast. We gotta get through these clouds though. We're gonna go right through that hole right there. Yeah, we're no motor right now, and we're not really coming down. We're moving. Let's cut through this little hole here. There's a mountain right there.